Hello guys. Welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for notifications, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. The leading mobile company OPPO has launched the OPPO RENO series of smartphones. OPPO RENO is a premium smartphone from OPPO that has 10x hybrid zoom and introduced the SHARKFIN rising camera for the first time in the mobile world. The front camera, front-facing soft light receiver and rear flash are cleverly housed within the compact rising structure. The 10x hybrid zoom is the main highlight of this phone. The phone is available in two colors, ocean green and jet black. The body of the phone is matte finished with intricate glass detailing. The phone looks just so beautiful. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 with 93.1% screen-to-body ratio. OPPO RENO has three cameras at the rear: 48MP OIS plus 120° wide-angle lens plus 13MP telephoto lens. It has Ultra Night Mode 2.0, which gives clear pics even in darkest situations.
OPPO RENO 10x zoom.
OPPO RENO has 8MP 120° ultra-wide-angle lens, which does not let anyone miss from the frame. It lets you frame more friends in one picture.
OPPO RENO 10x zoom.
OPPO RENO is also a gaming beast, as it runs on Snapdragon 855 processor and it has Ultra Game Boost 2.0. The 10x zoom version has up to 4065 mAh battery, which won't drain you out of power while gaming. It also has liquid cooling to keep the phone cool while running multiple apps. The processor will let you run all heavy games available like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, Mobile Legends without any lag. OPPO RENO will also come with Dolby Atmos speakers for enhanced sound for movies and immersive gaming. The price of OPPO RENO 10x zoom starts from $32,990 in India, and it will be sold in Amazon from 7th of June. That's all for the specifications of the OPPO RENO 10x hybrid zoom. Once again, if you enjoyed this video so far, please like the video and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next awesome video. Till then, love you all. Peace.